In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the Ultra is not connecting with your TV with SmartView. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just make sure that both of your devices are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. If each of them is connected to a different Wi-Fi network, SmartView will not work. After that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. From here, just scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for VPN. Now just make sure that there is no VPN network connected with your phone. Also on your TV, make sure that there is no VPN network connected with your TV. If there is, just disconnect it. After that, just go to your home screen and open the quick settings. And from here, just look for the Smart View icon. If you cannot find it, just tap on the edit button, then tap on add a control. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the Smart View icon. As you can see, this is the Smart View icon, but it is grayed out since it is already added to the quick settings. After you add the Smart View icon to the quick settings, then tap on Done to save. Now just tap on Smart View, and from here just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on this menu. Then tap on Settings, and from here just tap on Labs. Now on this page, just enable the toggle for Allow all apps to be cast. After that, just scroll down a bit and enable the toggle for Chromecast support. After you enable both of these options, then just go back. And over here, you will find the name of your TV. Just tap on it. And after that, just select how you want to use SmartView on your TV. You can either select a single app or the entire screen. After you select your option, then just tap on Continue. Now while connecting your TV with your phone, a permission might appear on the screen of your TV. Just select Allow to give your TV the permission to use SmartView. Now after that, just tap on Continue or Done to mirror the screen of your smartphone on your TV. Now, if you have done all that and if this method did not work, then just restart your phone and also restart your TV. Now, after you do that, then just try to use SmartView and hopefully this time your issue will be fixed. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.